Spring has turned back into winter just in time for this last full weekend of February. Good morning. I'm meteorologist Erin Ashley. We are seeing a little bit of snow on the way. It looks like it's going to arrive today. It's mainly just going to be a little bit of rain this afternoon. We'll show you what that looks like. The snow chances for us, though, really start to tick up less than 24 hours from now. It's going to arrive in the mid-morning tomorrow. But you can see a little bit of active weather on tap for today. That's some new information. Mainly rain in that forecast with temperatures this afternoon in the middle 40s. So today is really just going to be about normal and maybe a little bit of rain. Other than that, the big weather story moving into your weekend is going to be this. Sunday, snow is going to return up to an inch as possible. In most spots, up to an inch is possible, but some of us may see a little bit more. I'll show you where here in just a second. Monday. Watching out for not only very cold temperatures, but with the snow moving through on Sunday, we're going to see the treated roads. Anything that is left outside that is wet or slushy will freeze overnight into Monday. So giving you the first alert on a dicey commute into work and school, and that's going to be on Monday because of the snow on Sunday. So between the 2 days, today's going to be the warmer and the drier one, 45 your forecast high. Mostly sunny skies now, will cloud back over throughout the afternoon. And then tomorrow it's going to be cloudy, mainly about the snow, though. That's going to start in the middle of the morning tomorrow. Let's take a look outside right now. I want to show you our Newport on the Levee camera, if I can find it, because it looks wonderful outside. Really no big weather issues for today. It's mainly just going to be for tomorrow. I mean, sure, it is cold, but at least it's not bitterly cold. 34 right now. Again, your high today is 45. These winds coming in from the northwest, gonna kind of try to keep things a little bit on the cooler side, but we're seeing plenty of sun. That's why we're able to lift above freezing right now. It does feel a little extra chilly at times, 28, and that dew point in the low 20s, that's good, because we've got very dry air in place. And I'm going to show you one of our models that's really picking up on the rain chances today. And the dry air in place is going to try to fight off a lot of the rain you're going to see there in just a second. Other temperatures around the tri-state do include, we still have some spots that are just a little bit below freezing, 28 there in Batesville and 32 in Connorsville. Everywhere else is back above freezing. We have some near 40. That's Owenton, Falmouth, Georgetown, the eastern side of Hamilton County at the Lunken Airport, and West Union, all at 37 degrees. Again, we're seeing mostly sunny skies, at least right now over downtown. We do expect more clouds to be coming on their way in the middle of the afternoon and bring with it the rain chances. But it's only about a 20% chance that you see it. It's really not impressive at all. Most of us will escape it. It's just going to be enough to say that it happened. So high today, 45 degrees. That window opportunity for a light shower is going to be between 4 and 8 o'clock this afternoon. So here's what it looks like on your weather timeline. Again, we're seeing intervals of sun and clouds up until this. And again, dry air in place. So a lot of what you see here is not going to be able to make it down to us on Earth. Notice some wet snowflakes trying to come into the mix. I don't think we're going to see a lot of the snow today, but it's not out of the question, especially as we see those temperatures falling. Again, that time frame from about 4 to 8 o'clock tonight. And then look, tomorrow morning, the snow does start off pretty light. It gets heavy right around here, right in the middle of your day, around lunchtime and through about 3. That's when we expect these more potent snow bands to be coming into place, and then we'll start to see the snow lighten up. It's not going to have a lot of snow with it, but it's going to be a shift. We went from severe weather a couple days ago, windy weather yesterday, sunny today, and tomorrow we will see the snow. I know, not very sound to a lot of people. If you're heading out to the FC Cincinnati match this afternoon, again, seasonal, just seeing some clouds coming into the play. A sprinkle possible. Tomorrow, it's the snow showers. Monday's the coldest day out of your 10-day forecast, a high of 32. So a bitterly cold start to your work week. Slippery in spots, too. After we get through a couple of morning snow flurries, and then we're warming up again. Tuesday into Wednesday, we're going from the upper 30s to low 50s. I mean, look at this. We do rebound very nicely. Middle 30s for tomorrow, low 30s Monday, still cold-ish on Tuesday. and then low 50s there on Wednesday. The good news about Wednesday's forecast is that it has dried up a little bit. I know we've been watching it as a chance for some rain in that extended forecast, and there is still a chance for rain. We could see the trend go back to the way it was, but at least some good news for you on this Sunday morning is going to be that drier trend and warmer trend as a result. Okay, I already showed you what the snow tomorrow looked like. I want to show you how much snow to expect and where, because while it's not going to be a lot, it is going to be enough to slow things down. Here in Cincinnati, a dusting to an inch. Areas in northern Kentucky, same sort of deal. Same thing with southeastern Indiana. Eyeing the higher snowfall totals northeast of downtown towards Wilmington, Hillsborough, even northern Claremont County. You guys can expect maybe an inch or more of snow. It depends on these bands, where they are and where they decide to come into play. And higher snowfall totals are going to be possible too. That's what the plus means, and that's what the little dash marks mean too. I'm seeing some models are spitting out close to 2 inches. That's an isolated higher total, but yeah, that's going to be for Sunday, a little bit into your Monday morning too. But Monday morning is mainly just going to be about the refreeze, I would say. And then stepping into your work week, we got the warm up going on into Wednesday, a little bit of chance for rain in that forecast. I'll show you what it looks like. And then Thursday, that is the main event this week. That is our best chance for some active weather. Looks like entirely rain with those mild temperatures coming back into the tri-state. And then we'll start to cool down just a little bit into next weekend. But then temperatures go right back up. It's all about the ups and the downs, really is about the ups and the downs over the next the next week. So couple flurries Monday morning, mainly a dry day. Tuesday, also a mainly dry day, maybe a little tiny chance for some rain there. You saw that it's pretty early in the day on Wednesday. That's that 30% chance that I just showed you. And then we'll start to be a little bit on the drier side in the afternoon. Now, late Wednesday evening, that is when we have our next best chance for some rain pooling on through. I mean, it's mainly going to be Thursday morning, but can't rule out a little bit of speeding up to the storm system. And if that were to happen, it's kind of good because it limits the potential for something strong to severe. I am seeing a good amount of rain with this. Some models are picking up over an inch already. So it looks like it's going to be a decent rain maker rather than storm maker. But regardless, the timing, unfortunate. We do have mainly morning event here because by the early afternoon we can start to see the green getting out and away from the west to the east, and then we're going to start to see a little bit more dry time into the late evening there, and then we'll start to warm up a little bit into the weekend ahead. Your 10-day forecast, I mean, it's just up and down, up and down. And right now we're getting on the downside of the hill here. We were in the 60s we were in the low 50s yesterday morning, the afternoon in the upper 40s. It felt great, and today honestly is going to feel great too if you can catch those pockets of sunshine. 45 is right on the nose for normal for February 21st, and just a slight chance of a sprinkle. Now tomorrow, temperatures do fall below that normal line. Bottom out is the word I want to find for Monday. They bottom out on Monday. A little flurry in the morning. Most of the day is dry. Watch out for the refreeze in the morning, so slick spots in that Monday morning commute. And then Tuesday, temperatures do start their climb. Once again, highs near 40, highs near 50 on Wednesday. We do see a little dip in the temps with that rain event on Thursday, but it really doesn't do a whole lot because we do see highs 1 week from today near 60. Going to be a good little roller coaster of temperatures here in your first alert extended forecast, and it comes in with several opportunities for some active weather. The first being today, technically, just a sprinkle in the forecast for this afternoon, again between 4 and 8 o'clock. Tomorrow, snow. I would expect snow. A dusting might not be a lot for you guys, but you could see over an inch if you're northeast of downtown. Middle 30s, your forecast highs for tomorrow. Now Monday, a cold start to the 25, but I'm seeing wind chills in the single digits. It's gonna feel like winter and look like it too. And then Tuesday, temperatures in the afternoon start to go right back up near 40, low 50s Wednesday, and then we see our better chance for some rain there on Thursday. Looks like it's mainly going to be in the morning. We'll let you know if that changes. And then as we roll into next weekend, temperatures are going to be on their come up, it looks like. Highs near 60 1 week from today. Okay, let's see if we have any questions coming on in. Seth's tuning in. Hi, Erin. How are you doing this morning? I'm doing well. That's our only question coming on in. I love that question. Thank you guys so much for tuning in this Saturday morning. We'll have the latest information for you guys about that Sunday snowfall and the warm-up to follow coming up tonight with meteorologist Anna Duvall right here on your free Fox 19 Now Plus platforms. That'll be tonight at 6. But for now, signing off here in Queens Gate, I'm meteorologist Erin Ashley. Have a great rest of your Saturday.